with an exciting shake with Oreo and with a kick. First, 2 scoops of ice cream. Now drop in some Oreos. Now blend this baby up. Put a little bit of milk. Now blend this baby a little more. This is like cookies and cream. Ready for the spicy stuff? Wash your hands after this. Now add some ice to that. Now blend this baby even more. Looks like our shake is ready. Let's test this baby now. And that's the spicy kick.